Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this moment, you might notice the gentle weight of your body against the surface beneath you, the subtle rhythm of your breath, and the quiet hum of the world around you fading into the background. There is nothing you need to do right now, nothing to achieve, nothing to fix. You are simply here. Tamé, ta tresh, and into a plorten. And as you hold that feeling of success, I want you to gently touch your thumb and index finger together. A bridge between this state and your body. And each time you touch these fingers together from now on, this feeling will return stronger, deeper, more real than before. And now, take that feeling, that energy of success, and let it spread through your entire being. Feel it flowing down your arms, into your hands, your fingertips. Feel it moving through your torso, your hips, your legs, all the way to your feet. You are success. You are achievement. You are the embodiment of your highest potential. And as you breathe deeply, your mind is opening like a flower in the morning sun, receiving the light of new possibilities. Now, your subconscious is now ready to receive the seeds of transformation. Seeds that will grow into the reality you desire. Sid Dot Sparkly. Claim success, not as a future hope, but as a present truth. Now, aim success in this moment, in every cell of my body, in every thought of my mind, in every beat of my heart. I am success. I am worthy of all the success that comes to me. I deserve abundance. I deserve recognition. I deserve fulfillment. And as you hear these words, your subconscious is already aligning with this truth and releasing any old beliefs that said otherwise, letting them dissolve like mist in the morning light. Every challenge I face is a stepping stone. Every obstacle a teacher. Every setback a setup for a greater comeback. And you can feel the strength rising within you, the resilience, the determination, the unshakable faith in your own ability to succeed. I am focused. My attention is a laser, cutting through distractions, illuminating my path, guiding me toward my goals. And you can sense this focus now, a clarity in your mind, a stillness in your thoughts, a knowing that you are exactly where you need to be. I take inspired action every day, action that aligns with my highest vision, action that moves me forward, step by step, moment by moment. And you can feel this momentum building, a gentle but persistent force carrying you toward your dreams. Am confident, not arrogant, but quietly sure of my worth and my abilities. I trust myself. I trust the process. I trust the timing of my life. And you can feel this confidence growing, like a tree with deep roots, unshaking by any storm. I attract success into my life through the energy I radiate, through the thoughts I think, through the actions I take. And you can feel this attraction now, a magnetic pull, drawing the right people, the right opportunities, the right circumstances into your experience. I am grateful for every success I have achieved, and for every success yet to come. And gratitude opens the door to more abundance. And you can feel this gratitude now, crowded a wheel to relief for hell. A bounce in my yield of the Spain grotto strewed with air. Oh, make mean is der Zugstem. Oh, Kibby Suckspeen gen Hallard Stavelusha. Kasetiget brought its mind dantu. A pins to be quallard car. A perspeen in a full tithe of whole. And knowing that you are blessed, bridal to bid, I am patient with my journey to your bounce to hold today in the fold, then gov, prospine air, and make place der Relisha. I am open to receiving, open to the abundance that the universe offers, open to the success that is my birthright. And you can feel this openness now, a softening in your chest, a widening of your awareness, a readiness to receive all that is good. I am successful in all areas of my life, my career, my relationships, my health, my spirit. Success is not limited. It is infinite. And I am worthy of it all. I am a creator of my reality. I use my thoughts, my words, my actions to shape the world I want to live in. And you can feel this creative power now, a surge of energy, a sense of agency, a knowing that you are the architect of your destiny. And I am persistent. I never give up. I keep going, even when the path is steep, even when the journey is long. And you can feel this persistence now, a steady flame, an unquenchable fire, a determination that cannot be extinguished. I am surrounded by support, the right people, the right resources, the right circumstances, all aligned for my success. And you can feel this support now, a network of strength, a community of encouragement. I am worthy of the best life has to offer. I am deserving of joy, of abundance, of fulfillment, of success. And you can feel this worthiness now, a sense of value, a feeling of deserving, a knowing that you are enough. I am success. I am achievement. I am the living embodiment of my dreams. And as you breathe deeply now, let these words settle into every cell of your being. Let them become your truth, your reality, your identity. Take a moment to feel the fullness of this transformation, the shift that has already begun, the new energy flowing through you, the success that is now part of your very essence. And as you prepare to return to your day, know that you carry this state with you, this anchor of success, this feeling of achievement, this knowing of your worth. You can touch your thumb and finger together anytime, and this feeling will return instantly, powerfully, fully. And the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes